You get the Fibonacci sequence by adding the last 2 digits of the sequence, starting on 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, and 8 plus 5 is 13, etc., etc. And this is everywhere from paintings, nature, the shape of continents, galaxies, animals, everything is using it. And this is because it's a divine proportion. And Leonardo da Vinci 500 years ago found it in the flower of life. And this is the Fibonacci sequence, but instead of seeing it in 2D from the top, we are looking at that 3D, the whole structure. And this is how the energy is flowing the most efficient. That's why we really like it. And if you actually wanted to know everything about the flower of life or how the universe works, you follow me and I will teach you in the next one. Thanks for watching.